How to change fan speed on MSI Afterburner. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily change your fan speed using MSI Afterburner. First thing you have to do is open up the application. And once you open up the app, the next thing you do is find the gear icon on the left side of the menu. So head over there to open settings. A different window will pop up on your screen. Now at the top right, you'll find the arrow icon. Just tap on it to scroll to the right and find the tab where it says User Interface. Go to User Interface and then you'll have different options here. So all you have to do is click on the drop down, and on the drop down you have different options that you can choose from. So you could just go ahead and choose any design you like to adjust the fan speed. So I'm just going to go ahead and select a different design here and then tap on OK. So once that is done, the new design will be applied. All you have to do now is go ahead and turn off the auto fan. So right below, right on the bottom slider, there is the fan speed. So click on the auto to turn this off. And once you turn off the auto, you will be able to adjust the fan speed according to your choice. And once you are done adjusting your fan speed, if you want, you could just go ahead and click on the startup option to save this on startup. And once you turn it on, every time you start up your computer, your fan speed will be the same that you have set here. And if you want to turn it off again, you can just click on startup and turn it off. That's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically adjust your fan speed. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.